into Batavia. A couple of storm reports to tell you about here. We did have a water spout, as we had indicated might happen just north of Dunkirk out over Lake Erie around 3:30 this afternoon. And then, of course, we also had a confirmed tornado in Allegheny County. In fact, it was an EF1 right around Friendship. Extensive tree damage. Not talking about that here, though, for tonight, although low pressure is still swirling to our north, and that delivered some of those sudden squally showers. Overnight, we drop into the low 40s in the southern tier. And again, for tomorrow afternoon, still a busy breeze, a fall-like feel to the air with temperatures largely into the 60s. The next disturbance to arrive will come in on Monday, and that brings some scattered showers and potentially some strong thunderstorms Monday afternoon. So eye to the sky, stay weather alert on Monday. Tonight, quiet, but certainly fallish. The overnight low temperature into the upper 40s, near 40 in the southern tier. Breezy in Medina here for you for tomorrow. Your top temp 64, 63 Lancaster, 62 in Depew, 63 for you in West Seneca, and into the southern tier. We are only into the upper 50s in places like Jamestown and Salamanca, but we should see a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Have a check of that Super 7-day forecast. Again, the cool fall feel won't stick around. By Monday afternoon, we're back into the low 70s. Again, eye to the sky for a thunderstorm, and then the weather goes back into cruise control mode for several days to come after that. 75 for a top temp on Tuesday with a mixture of clouds and sun. Back into the 80s Wednesday. We're into the mid-80s, a summer-like feel for the end of the week.